For an MRP batch job to make sense, the system will need to plan per item, per location, per variant. And you can see that here in the planning worksheet that I've just calculated. I've just calculated a complete plan, and on my item 1000, you can see this is my top level item on low level code 0. There's a line for location warehouse 1 and lines for other location. Now most of my data is in the location symbol 1, but if I scroll down, I can see on other items, look at the item number here, they are getting higher and higher until I come to, as an example here, my item 1120. This is the first item in the low level code 1, and the first line is on location advanced, so it calculates all of location advanced on that item and including variants if I have set up variants, and then it calculates all location to the next location, etc. So calculating per item per variant. And the most difficult things for most planners in my experience to understand is that all the planning per item, per location, per variant is to be understood all separately. So looking at one item at a time and planning one item, understanding one item at a time. That's very important.